Historical videos are getting really popular these days, and this faceless YouTube channel is literally blowing up, going from 0 to 56,000 subscribers in just less than 7 videos. According to Social Blade, this channel is approximately making $43,000 per year, gaining millions of views every month. All they're doing is simply sharing captivating events of history, with narrators speaking over relevant stock footage with some occasional captions on the screen. In today's video, I'll guide you how to create similar videos in less than 6 minutes using just one tool. The best part is, you don't have to worry about images, voiceover, editing, and music. This tool will put together everything for you with just one click. Trust me, it's super easy. Let's take a look at one of their videos, so you can get to know what it's all about.
For millennia, the Grand Pyramids of Egypt have towered over the desert sands.
I think, now you have the idea what we are talking about. To make these types of videos, first we need a script. For that, simply go to ChatGPT, and as we are following our reference video, so ask ChatGPT to write a script for YouTube video about history of Egypt. Also specify that the script tone should be storytelling and it should contain key points. The overall vibe of the script should be mysterious and educational, and also the script should be in such a way that people should learn history of Egypt in a good way. You can clearly see on the screen, it has generated me an outstanding script in the way we want. Once you've prepared the script, paste it into a Google Docs file to keep everything organized. Now for video creation, we would be using this amazing tool called Invideo AI. Once you are in, you would be landed on this page. Simply go in there, and from the drop-down menu, select Script to Video option. After selecting this option, simply copy the generated script from ChatGPT and paste it into the script box. Once the script is pasted, you need to tell the tool what type of background music we want. Once told, simply select your preferred voiceover and you are done. That's all you need to do. No more spending hours on editing videos, searching for scenes, searching for background music, or recording voiceovers. And just like that, our entire 2-minute video is finished in seconds. Let's just say that you don't like one of the scenes in the video. So, for editing the scenes, simply go in the Edit option, and there you can replace any of the scenes according to your liking. You can download the clips from Canva or any other website which provides free copyright clips. Now, if you want to edit the script, simply click on Edit Script option, and there you will see the whole script. You can edit the script according to your own choice and generate the video again. After some tweaking, this is how my video came out.
Have you ever wondered how one of the oldest civilizations in the world, Egypt, came to be? Picture this. Around 3,100 years before Christ, a momentous event occurred. Lower and Upper Egypt, two distinct regions, became unified under one ruler. The life-giving Nile River coursed through this unified land, playing an instrumental role in shaping the civilization we now call Ancient Egypt. Thus, Egypt, a civilization that would leave an indelible imprint on human history, was born. But what truly set Egypt apart from other civilizations of that era? The answer lies in the grandeur of the pharaohs and their monumental legacies, the pyramids. These rulers, seen as gods on earth, left their mark in stone, creating these colossal structures not merely as tombs, but as stairways to eternity. The pyramids, an astonishing feat of engineering, embodied the pharaohs' desire for immortality, reflecting their belief in an afterlife. The pharaohs and their mighty pyramids, symbols of their eternal power, became the heart of Egyptian civilization. How did this magnificent civilization thrive, and what led to its downfall? Picture a golden age of prosperity as Egypt expanded during the New Kingdom period. This was a time of growth, wealth, and power. Yet all that glitters is not gold. The decline of Egyptian civilization was spurred by a cocktail of invasions, internal strife, and economic difficulties. These factors chipped away at the resilience of this remarkable society. Despite its decline, the allure and enchantment of Egypt continue to resonate throughout history. What makes the story of Egypt so compelling, even today? Egypt's legacy is far-reaching and still visible. Imagine a civilization that crafted monumental architecture, developed hieroglyphic writing, and made significant strides in art, medicine, and astronomy. Its enduring symbols, from the majestic pyramids to the intricate hieroglyphs, are a testament to the human spirit's capacity for creativity and resilience. The story of Egypt is a testament to human ingenuity and resilience, a tale that continues to inspire and captivate us.
That's all for today's video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more exciting content like this. Feel free to share your questions or thoughts in the comments section below. Until next time, happy creating!